Mayam, aduna sangasi ay yengan zarage akogi festival je haure. Hello guys, ma'am bu amuka na tram nok seri eken akogi YouTube channel sida ma'am ngasi je akogi festival gi hauba numine ko me ngasi je day 26 ne aduna ma'am hojik library da chalangai gi damakta ai hojik lojin da lojare aduna si leise ma'am ngasi gi dress kamain toge yeng ma'am aduna ma'am chalangai gi damakta torosi ma'am ma'am aduna ai hojik thodok chare yum da gi second da tong duna tholai ma'am aduna yaujil la si ma'am library da aduga mok thengna minara si ma'am Ma'am, aduna I hojik yaujare library hall manung ko ana ngaktang lairaga show se mathang haura agani ko hanada jagoi hana tawra do male mathang tawro matungda koi drama se tawra ga do male kamai tawno do ma'am yengmina si ma'am Hello guys, ma'am aduna sida library ba akogi ba angang sing moise akoi festival jigi saruk amoina akogi jagoi upiga da bane aduna moise sida lehori sine aduga ma'am sida le akoi oja sing su akoi reception gi damakta mi alak pasing ongai kita magta aduga ma'am hall sida lere akogi kaksing library gi hall se aduna ma'am sida ne simanung da ne akogi festival se pangthok jaga dai se aduna ma'am manung si ju harap ai changaga ma'am da yengan jarake ma'am aduna ma'am sida ubi ribe sine hall manung gi view se silai se ma'am Ma'am, aduna I mapan na mok thok jarak le ngasi sana jaga dariba drama sina tota kahini hai ko ma'am West Bengal gi ni sina sana ga dai ne aduna yam nungai ne na ai thajaba thamjai aduna yengmina si ma'am ai poster du utsarake ma'am tota kahini Ma'am, aduna sangasi ai yengan jarage akogi festival je haure aduna sangasi ma'am yengmor si ai ma'am da yengan jarage akoi jagoi sei drama na singno ma'am do chalas ma'am yengan jarage meng tamin na si
different colors different state ahum dagi Manipur dagi adi West Bengal dagi ama Mumbai dagi ama and four theater groups will show their respective theaters Madras ke Kira School vidyarthiyalu West Bengal dagi devi rakwa ar Prasad Dasna Sisi Suba limit mari ni su na sa jaga da ba asigumba nuairba tester velocity.
Manipur has maintained its own form of art and culture since time immemorial. Manipur dance, song, especially drama have been counted as a glorious chapter in the art and culture in India. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore himself has highlighted the historical issue of Manipur in many of his literature. Manipur dances is a subject of his Vishwabharati University in Shantiniketan.
The state of Manipur and Kachin have been going through a difficult time for the last 1 year. There has been a lot of families and a lot of lives have been lost. People have suffered a lot for the last 1 year, and organizing such events and organizing such activities is very much required now, because people have been displaced. A lot of people have been displaced. A lot of people have been staying in relief camps. So having activities like these will act sort of a respite for all the society and sort of help people focus away from all the destruction and negativity which is sort of prevalent there in the society.
Drama haibu posidi akoi miyo bigi kusida sang gabe ya ro kosang usale ano sidi sida lila sida kuna maru hong da leri ba thorum sida je loi nu upiya ya bharat munina martin nai to sata kirama bani haibu kana mahabharat si paava tunda mahabharat wali sida prithvi thoi thogu ya sidi jiva ji nang de mina yang de lo yang de apa ma kan de phato kan de masidi wali kono si loi nu phamba duaina drama haibu ko kan loi nu upiya ya samaj mu taput palami thoru na ba to ba check education ki pa ma lori bani ya to thank you.
mayam kamaina tauge akoigi hojiki jagoi do fajaba natro aduna akoigi cultural program se lojin gare aduna ngakang lairaga drama mo hore de ne mayam pung 6 makhai dagi drama do mo uchrake aduna mayam si makhai ta ba kamain tau no mo yengmina si mayam. Hello guys, mayam aduna drama se hauna ngai gi damakta West Bengal gi drama gi artist sing do loina sem sawa lojin gra mayam aduna mieng taminer si mayam Tota Kahini Ravindranath Tagore na iba drama yengminer si mayam ai mayam de yengan chra. Let's go, Yang Morsi. Let's watch. Okay? Yang Morsi, ma'am.
Jama, tunggu dulu orang.
We are very grateful to Liberty Theatre and Manipur audience for participating and perform the spacious National Summer Festival organized by Liberty Theatre. And also, we are very grateful to Uttamji. Our group, the theatre organization of Murshidabad district, West Bengal. We would like to some special handicraft gift to handicraft our district Murshidabad, जो परंपरा है उसी का तरह एक गिफ्ट लिबर्टी थिएटर को जो डायरेक्टर उत्तम जी प्रेजेंट बाय आवर Group President and Group Secretary, Mr. Shukat Mukherjee. The Group President. Lot of thanks, Uttamji and the Liberty Theatre. Give it. Give it. Give it.
Hooray! मैम अदुना सीदे ngasi अखोगी ड्रामा कमायना तौगे मैम ngasi ड्रामा से नुंगाइबनब्रो अदुना मैम सिगी मखाताबा कमाय तौबनो मो येंमिनारस मैम अदुना अखोगी हौजिक उत्पिरंबा वेस्ट बेंगाल की आर्टिस्ट में से सलंगाई की दमकता अखोई गाड़ी थोदोखरे मैम मैम अदुना अयाम लोइरे पोट होंदो होंजिन तौबा अदुना अखोई हौजिक युमदा मो हंजरगनी मैम अदुना युम यौरगा मो थेंगनामिनारस मैम Hello, ma'am. Adunai hauji yumda yuzare. Aduna I hauji khongku hamdoe. My metatwe aduga saksa thogani ma'am. Ma'am ga muk thingnarise ma'am. Aduna ma'am ngasigi hoigi festival do kamaina toge ma'am. Nungai bena draw. Nungai ram gane na I thajaba thamji. Aduna ma'am ngasigi blog sidi. I matang sida lujin jarangai di tawjarage ma'am. Aduna mathangi anowa blog amada mo ma'am ga punna thingnaminarse. Aduna ma'am ngasigi di kainarse ma'am. Aduna I video sinungai gari ma'am na like share subscribe tawjin birmo eke na voice channel mo nusi viduna subscribe tawjin birmo ma'am ina hang video ano thaklakpa matam na ma'am ma phone na notification pat yaurang ai di tamakta aduna ma'am ngasigi di kainarsi aduna bye bye